Welcome back to Occur Controls. In this video, we will see different type of reports available in Possible 2.0 app. Click Report in opening screen and then click Type. You can see the various types of reports like full report, date-wise report, item-wise report, customer-wise report, serial number-wise report, credit report, collection report, expenses report, and items returned report. First, let us look at full report. Here, all the generated bills are shown. The details of the bill like customer name, date, time, serial number, basic amount, discount, delivery charges, tax, type of sale and net amount is shown. Click on any bill to view the item details. On long press of any bill, the complete details of the bills are shown. Similarly, for date-wise, click Type, then date-wise. Automatically, the current date is selected. Click the side arrow to view the bills. Now for item-wise, select the item from the drop-down list. And for customer-wise report, select the customer. The same way for serial number-wise report also. Now, credit report. All the pending credit customers will appear. When the customer pays the bill amount, just tap the bill number and confirm. This amount will be credited and will be removed from the credit customer list. The same credit amount will reflect on the collection report. The total pending credit amount is shown at the bottom. When any customer returns certain item, long press the bill number to see the bill details. Tap on the returned item and give confirmation. This bill will be marked as void, or press cancel bill to completely cancel the bill. This bill is marked as cancelled. The amount returned is added to the expenses. Now, expenses report. We earlier saw in general setting how to add expenses. Now, to view the expenses report, select expenses report, select the date and click the side arrow. Details like name of the expenses, date, time and amount is shown. Now to see the item returned, select the item returned, then the date. Here you can see the list of items returned along with the customer name, date of purchase, date of return, serial number, item name and quantity. Now let us see the collection report. Choose the dates. Here you can see all the details such as date, opening balance, expenses, cash, digital payment, credit sales, credit collection, total sales and net cash in hand. If you have enabled the printer, just click the print button to print the report and export button to export reports. The details of exported Excel file are bill-wise report with the details of item in each bill. The bill number report with the details of each bill with the customer name, date, time, basic amount, discount, tax and the net amount. Collection report of date-wise, cash, credit, digital sales, expenses, opening balance, credit collection and net sales. Next is the report which gives details of pending credit amount with the customer name, bill number and amount. Expenses report with the date, amount and reason. The items returned report with the details of items returned, bill number, quantity and amount. To delete the old records, long click the export button, authenticate, select the dates and types of records you want to delete and click done. Make sure you have taken backup before deleting the data. This is about the reports in our Possible 2.0 app. Follow us in our Instagram page, Occur Controls, to get frequent updates on our product developments.